Hello everyone, Umgosi Ojuicy here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, over the weekend kunale group le etrendayo bayibita ngokuthi kukhanya kwetibani. So kukhanya kwetibani beba busy nje le weekend embonisweni inhlangano yabo lesikuthi ukuthi bebendani. Bebahlangene embonisweni hall ba celebrate inyanga yabo ezinhlangano, and they were also bakhuluma kabanzi about things that affect abomake emakhaya. How are they being abused? How are they going to get help? Where to go, as well as like awareness gender-based violence. So kuhle lokhu labomake bakwenile over the weekend embonisweni eholweni. It was a lovely day, a sunny day, but bebaphumile bomake ngetinkalo tabo tonke baqwele kucwebe kubhizi nje. Di-truck tasembonisweni beti-covered with royal blue ngalabomake. So siyabonga bomake. This shows encouragement to nalabanye bomake labasahlele emakhaya ukuthi no man la ngaphandle bomake babhizi abakahlali emakhaya babhizi bayale. So siyabonga kakhulu bomake. It was lovely. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. Please like